birthday, tita, I want to say na good health and for your baby too. And sana malamahan mo yung ganda ko. Joke lang. Pero sana maging successful ka for the meantime. Pero good health and I'm proud to you. And you look beautiful today. Joke lang. Good health and wish you all the best. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at sana walang mag-stress sa'yo. At sana good health kayo ng baby mo na si Ocean. Then, stay healthy. I'm always here for you.
Hi Ate Kay, happy birthday, more birthday to come and more followers to come, syempre, di ba? Pagsapagan mo lang and tuwala lang. I know naman na mas maraming followers yung darating sa'yo. You know that. Sorry, pasensya na sa boses ko kasi sinisipon, inuubo. And mag-iingat ka palagi. Always lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Dito sa food lotion. Wapin. Oh, sige na. Yan, 1, 2, 3, action. Yan. Cut.